Hey, when my casserole didn't get done, I went to figure out why. So I'm going to jump online and find a suitable replacement. And this one by Supco I found at Walmart. Job 1 is to disconnect the electrical in the back. There's a cover covering some of the electrical connections. It's in our way. Okay, 1/4 inch. These spade connections are on here kind of tight, so wiggle them, hang on to the element, that helps, and pull them off. And just take out 2 screws, also 1/4 inch. Okay, before we put it in, let's compare our Supco replacement with the original in dimensions. That looks just right. And the mounting holes match up. Spades are sticking out the right amount from the plates. They're a little bit bent. I'll straighten those out. Okay, if you plug it back in to use the stovetop, make sure you unplug it again before you install it. Okay, I'm plugging this in the same way it was, yellow left, black right. In actuality, does it really matter? No. A heating element has no polarity. Okay, let's put this to the test. Got about 5 minutes past here, and we've got a nice cherry red heating element. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.